Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about the various cars here. Okay, now I start checking from this area first. Okay, now let's check. The first one is a cute petroleum truck. Forklift. Hero Captain America. Shoot monster truck. About this, a truck. Tanker truck, a petroleum truck. About this one, racing car number 3. This one is a nice racing car. Mini monster truck. Super motorbike. This one is a nice super motorbike. A broken racing car. About this one, monster truck. Okay, monster truck. About this, mini crane. About this one, everybody, road roller. Extrude road roller. Extrude excavator. Army car. A broken German mixer truck. This one is a broken German mixer truck. Petroleum truck. Airplane, mini airplane. Okay everyone, so now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck.